Another day, another fire release from our very good friends over at SNK ATK Design Lab. This time, it's not a super technical piece of clothing, but instead, a really dope shirt. I've seen this since they were prototyping it and now it's in my hands. Let's get it unwrapped and let's try it on. Before we continue with this video, I would like to remind you that if you are enjoying this content, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm a solo content creator and I do all this to make sure that all of you are informed about the products you're about to purchase. Every subscription helps keep this channel running. Thank you. Now, on to the video. So this shirt is part of their newly released Project Mythos pack, which consists of 3 shirts, all designed by Nando Maglutak and Sam Alfafara, around the concept of mythical creatures: the dragon, the byako or tiger, and the kirin or unicorn. All of them feature a marriage of cyberpunk and traditional illustration techniques, and are a white on black print with neon accents. Volt green for the dragon, infrared for the tiger, and electric blue for the unicorn. What I have here is the dragon shirt. Of course, I had to have it since my favorite color is green. As we take it out of the wax bag, we can already see the print on the shirt. It's pretty striking. There we go. Let's see all the details on the print of the shirt. At the front, we have details on the chest area. It's got a new logo detail, a stylized SNK ATK cyberpunk logo type that's definitely inspired by a variant of the acronym logo type, and under that is SNK ATK's mantra: designed for the future, handcrafted by humans. Way cool. Moving on over to the back, we see the dragon print in great detail. Let me just say that the print quality on this shirt is pretty fantastic. The lines are crisp and color is consistent throughout the entire shirt. Color also looks to be correct. It does look like Volt Green, as we can see here. At the top right area, we see the logo for Alfafara Heavy Industries, and at the lower left, we see the Doom Division modified barcode detail, along with a marking saying Mythos/Dragon. That's it for the details of the shirt. Time to try it on. Alright, I can see the shirt working on 2 versions of my fits. It's either I match it with a very Techwear fit like this, alongside the SNK ATK Ryudo PS pants, the Nike acronym VaporMax, and a dog tag accessory. Also from Nike acronym, by the way. This one definitely leans heavy into the cyberpunk vibe, and backs it up with Techwear functionality. Because of the print and the Volt Green details, this shirt matches really well with the Nike acronym VaporMaxes. Solid fit, I can see myself rocking it this way a lot of times. For the other style, I also see the shirt as something of a cyber retro piece that would look well dressed down. If the previous fit was more of a matching the noisiness of the print, this one lets it be the centerpiece. I just matched it with a pair of medium fit jeans and white sneakers, and it's easily the eye catcher of the ensemble. I like it this way as well. It might be a loud shirt, but you can't deny its versatility. So that's the SNK ATK Mythos Dragon shirt. Would you wear something like this? Let me know in the comments. As always, please like and subscribe, check out my previous video, and stay tuned to my channel for more tech and tech adjacent videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.